Hello people, and welcome to my channel, Jay's Driveway. Now, a lot of you may recognize me from another channel, which I co-run, which is J&C's Car Culture. It's still run by both myself and my friend, and the reason why I'm running my own channel now is simply just because of a late change in lifestyles for both of us. So yeah, on this channel I'll be covering all of the modifications, life with and living with my daily, my baby, first baby, my Honda Civic Type R FN2, and behind me is a covered up, feeling very sorry for itself, MG ZS 180, which is kind of frustrating right now, I can't lie. Yeah, so it's not up and running at the moment. It is currently sold. There's a fair few parts I need to fix on it and repair on it before I send it for an MOT, and then once that's done, it's going to be on the road, and I'm going to be, I don't want to say thrashing it, but I will be driving it to try and understand its limits and what it's capable of, because these cars have a big reputation, and that's a tear of joy. Yeah, so I'll run you through the modifications on both cars. So I'll start off with the Civic. It's on lowering springs. It is also got spacers on it. Brembo big brake kit front. They're the Mark III McGann ones from Freaky Parts Limited. I've got a doubled in radio in it. I've also had a silencer delete. And yeah, there's no power mods at all. I always had a fast road setup as well. Shouldn't forget that. That's one of the biggest things on that car. But yeah, I have many plans for it, both cosmetic and power wise. So do watch this space. Believe me, the journey's gonna be fun. And with the MG ZS, I haven't had any mods done to it by myself. So I bought it with all the mods that it's had. It's fully polybushed. It's still got a crusty standard exhaust on it. It has got green stuff pads all around. Myself and Callum changed the brake discs on it recently. There was a lot of mods to it. That was braided brake lines, sorry. And really good brake fluid. I can't remember what it is. It's in the receipts. So yeah, that's the cars. That's the introduction to the cars on the channel. And yeah, I know a lot of people would have seen me from the previous channels I previously said in the video. Still stay sub to that. There's informative videos up on there, which we still will reply to comments on. But this here is the hot plate for the Civic and the MG ZS content. So yeah, follow me, keep interacting with me as well. So yeah, the more interest I get on both cars, the more I could do with them. I mean, I'll be doing a lot with both of them anyway. So yeah, I've already got parts for both to fit on both cars. So yeah, all good. So yeah, do like, share, subscribe. It is a big deal to me. And yeah, take it easy.